Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Take your marketing to the next level with Squarespace email campaigns. Learn how to create, design, and send professional email campaigns that keeps your audience engaged and boosts your brand's reach. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing that I will need you to do, guys, is to simply head up to your site from the dashboard of Squarespace. Once you open it, you will have here a couple of options on the left, which is here in this left side bar or menu. Now, usually you should go for marketing and then click on email campaigns. Once you have done that, then this page will be opened. Here it is how you can start sending an email. First of all, you have to select an email template, then create a mailing list, then add the sender details. So let's follow these steps that Squarespace are basically asking us to do. So I'm gonna click on select an email template. I'm gonna click on it, and here you will find yourself with a bunch of options that you can start with. Of course, each one of these templates are adjustable, and basically you can edit everything in them. So let me just go for a simple one like this one. Alright, so this one seems simple, doesn't have much things to edit, so I'm gonna go with it. Let's click on use this template, and this should take a few seconds, and the page builder or the template builder will be open for us. Now, if you are used with the Squarespace editing with the website itself, this campaign should be easy for you because it has the same concept, the same logic. Here between each section you will have plus button to create a new section, and here you will find some blocks to add within the section. So here we have text, images, spacer, line, button, product, discount, blog. This is all the things that you can add. So for those who are asking if there is anything else that you can add, no, unfortunately, this is all you can add right here. So for example, if you want to add videos or something like that, well, unfortunately, that is not possible. Now, how can we edit this? First of all, you will need to add, for example, a logo. What I usually do is to click right here and choose an image. And here I'm gonna simply add images. So let's go here and upload file. I'm going to this, let me just find, I think desktop, work, here I think logos, and we might find a couple of things. Let's go with Pinterest. So Pinterest seems to be a good option. Alright, there we go. Here I'm going to go with manage images, and you can see here multiple images in case you had multiple ones. Here you can choose the section color, spacing, and show caption. Here the spacing you can choose it to be small, medium, etc. Or you can literally just make it customized by reducing it just like that. So for now, for me, I think that's perfect, and I'm gonna keep it as it is. Now, for other things, I'm gonna remove this block. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and click on delete on my keyboard, and it should be removed. Here, as you may notice, you will find here you will find the text, which is like a title. I'm gonna write something here: Pinterest ad campaign. Let me just fix that, and this one will be a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna choose it to be medium heading or large heading, something like that. I'm gonna change the color of this. You can do a lot of things. For example, you can click here to use the AI of Squarespace. You can click right here to add some letter spacing, and basically can make it double the size. So there is a lot of things to adjust. For the color, I'm going to click right here. Oh wait, let me just go back. Yeah, here at campaign, and I'm going right here, and let's choose the red color. Something like that should be good. And yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna just make sure that it is in the middle. This has to be all something similar. So I'm gonna add like a line, something like that. Of course, this is not as professional as you might think it is. It's just random stuff, just to show you how I made this template. And once you finish it, you simply have to go and go right here to back. So it will be as simple as that. Now, these are the things that you have to change in general. The button, in case you had the button, change the link, change the text to fit you, and basically add images and stuff and background, of course, color, just to match your vibe. Of course, I'm gonna just keep it like that. And there we go. I'm going to go back. Here you have to create an email list. Let's go click on it, and here create a list. What you have to do is to name your list. Let's name them clients. Click on save, and as you can see, there is no subscribers yet. Let's add subscribers. There is two ways to add clients in here, either by uploading a list or add an individual subscriber. So let's click here and add an individual. I'm gonna just write random stuff, of course, for you guys. If you had big and large files that has like multiple clients, of course, do the upload method. Just put them in an Excel file or basically in a text file and upload it, and they will be organized directly. Here I'm gonna just add like random stuff. These subscribers access marketing. Click on done. Then click on close, and here it is. So now let's go back and let's do the sender details. These basically are gonna be your emails. So here, for example, you can add your marketing team email. For example, marketing tutorial, marketing team at tutorial.com. And after adding your sender details, make sure to verify your domain. Let's click on next, and here they will be sending an email to this mail. So make sure that you have checked this email and basically get the code from it. Once you have done that, then you can start sending email campaigns by creating email campaigns from here, and choose which one you would like, and simply choose the mailing list, choose the sender, and start sending the emails. It is as simple as that. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe in our channel. If there is any problems or mistakes that you have faced during this video or issues, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section so I can answer them. And that was it. See you guys in the next tutorial.